gotta show them something.
YouTube, what is up, man? G-Hook, I'm back, man, and today, as you know, man, that active exhaust, when you cut off your mufflers and everything, when you cut those off, there's a chance that you might get the squeaky noise. And so I did research, and so what you have to do is lubricate it. And so right now I'm at Precision Tune Auto Care, you guys. I'm about to see if we can get it on the jack, and then once we get it on the jack, we can get it lubricated. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned. I'm about to show y'all what it sounds like real quick right before. So let me go to my car real quick. It sounds crazy, man. It really sounds crazy, y'all. I keep putting my hand in the way, my fault, y'all. But like, it's really wicked, y'all. Hold on. And this is, hey, yo, this is what I got. WD-40. This is what I got. This is what you need. It was about $9, y'all, so it wasn't too much. But listen, y'all. Hold on. So yeah, y'all, I'm tired of hearing that, man. So right now we're at Precision Tune Auto Care. Y'all heard it right there. I'm gonna do it one more time for y'all. And the worst thing about it, y'all, you can be like, I be at the strip at the clubs, and like man, I'm going down the strip and I get to a stoplight and I pull off. It gets to squeaking. Everybody looking like, what? It's a hot ass car, but that motherfucker's squeaking. That's what I be thinking in my head when people hear that. So like, yeah, man. So we're here. It's time to get it situated, and stay tuned, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, she is in the bay, as you can see, and it's time to eliminate the squeaky noise, y'all. It is time to do it. I'm tired of hearing it, and so the time is now. Just give me a little moment. Huh?
I like the new body style with it.
You already said you like the body style?
Yes. Now it makes the wheels not stick out so far.
That wide body? Yeah. Yeah, you hear him. But yeah, y'all, we about to get the noise taken care of right now, and just stay tuned. All right, y'all. So your active exhaust is right here, and as you see, you have two. As you can see, only pros work on my car, you guys.
Only hot rod professional. Replace the Hemi motor, and you know he's working on them.
I'm telling you, from the man himself.
Only downfall is when you gotta do a spark plug change. 16 spark plugs are $16 a piece.
Oh my goodness! I don't even know the math on that.
Yeah, it's up there. About $200.
Dang. It was 3 bolts, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Now we're working on the left side real quick. We just gonna hit both just to make sure, y'all. Hey, y'all don't know how hype I am to fucking finish this. And I'm tired of hearing that shit every time I crank my car. forgot to make the part 2 of this video, but we got it fixed, and I'm about to show y'all right now. Remember, it would do it on the third one. Watch. 1, 2. From the second to the third, it would squeak. I'm going to the third one. Nothing. Hold on, listen, y'all. I'm about to press it. Nothing. And it would also squeak whenever I started it up. So watch this, y'all. I'm about to crank it up right now. No squeak, no squeak. So there you go, you guys. So all you need to do is add that WD-40 to both active exhaust, and you're all set. So y'all, stay tuned for the next video, y'all. And we just hit 150, man. 150 subscribers, y'all. I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all make me want to go harder. So just stay tuned for the next video, man. And G Hook is out.